are supporting 3 generations of Bevans here, and we supply top quality beef and sheep, which are raised to very high welfare standards, but also environmental standards as well. And we provide direct to the butcher shop, which in itself provides to the local community top quality meat, but also employment, because people are employed in the butcher shop.
Rydyn ni wedi rhoi 3,000 metr o waliau I fyny, wedi ail wneud 2,500 metr o orgloddiau, plannu o gwmpas 6,500 o goed, wedi ffensio allan ochr afon a hefyd wedi ailadeiladu 3 adeilad amaethyddol.
The last sale here, we had 108 farmers came and used this market to sell their stock. The sale itself turned over virtually £1 million. The farmers retain a very small percentage of that money. The rest goes to all the various industries they use, such as the mechanics, the tyre companies, the feed merchants, the seed merchants.
The aim of the farm is to grow as much quality forage as we can. If we try and establish a clover in the lays, this will cut down on the nitrogen use, and so we just get the nitrogen for nothing really from the clover. It is excellent for the environment worldwide and locally because it cuts down on food miles.
Fi'n prowd iawn o beth ni'n treial wneud yw cefnogi bobl lleol a roed arian I teuluodd na I cael mynd mas wedyn ni hala'r arian yn yr economi sydd gyda ni yn yr ardal yma.
As farmers, we manage most of the countryside in Wales, and I have 3,300 metres of coastal path running along the heart of my farm. It lets people come from all over the world and locals come and enjoy the scenery here in Anglesey.
Ni'n croesawu'r ysgolion yma, maen nhw'n dod I weld cael hanes yr ardal a'r diwylliant a'r Myrddin, wrth gwrs y stori Myrddin, cyfan yng Nghymraeg. A hefyd mae twristiaid nhw yma eto I weld Myrddin, a maen nhw'n ymfalchio clywed ni yn siarad y iaith pob dydd. Mae'n syndod mowr beth sy'n gallu dod o ffarmo. Dylen ni ddim yn ngofio un part o jigsaw fel. Mae'r wlad yn dibynnu ar amaeth.